In this short video, we'll take a look at program onboarding. Program onboarding is the first thing that your learners will see when they come into their program. It's a series of screens designed to set them up for success in the program, giving them key information about what's to come.
All of the onboarding settings can be toggled on or off based on what you need in your course. As so, it will also show you at the top who the onboarding message is displayed to. So in this case, it's a welcome message. I do have the option to add a different welcome message for the coach, option to upload a video, and of course a different coach video as well. We've got an acknowledgement of country, which could be text and image, or you may have a video you'd like to include. We can include some information about the learning journey, including a visual, the program badge. You can have the learners review their learning objectives. You can share the program team. If you have coaching on your program, you may wish to include a coaching guide. You've got space for the learner to nominate their coaches. A point where you can ask them to download their session invites for any face-to-face or virtual sessions, or they can print it out. Location information. We've got a tab for additional information if there's any logistics info you need to share with your learners. Dietary information so that you can accommodate any dietary needs at your sessions. Then we've got the learning contract. This is an area where you can ask learners to acknowledge specific expectations for the course. So in this case, we've included something about participating in discussions, understanding confidentiality, and so on. So we ask them to acknowledge this before they move on. Under the cohort tab, your learners can add in a little bio about themselves. They can also choose to turn on their profile so that they can be seen by other learners in the program, and also to share their objectives with the class. We just mentioned a moment ago the social media groups. This is where they'll display in the onboarding. Under support, you can include any information about how your learners get support throughout the program. And then the last message is just a let's get started.
And that's an overview of setting up your onboarding in Academy.